Hold on to your seats, because we're about to dive into a technological breakthrough that could change the world as we know it. Imagine being able to print in 3 dimensions, but not just with regular materials. What if you could print with light, create complex structures in seconds, and bring your wildest creations to life right in front of your eyes? Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to the future of 3D printing. Holographic 3D printing. This mind-blowing technology is taking the world by storm, and it's set to revolutionize everything from manufacturing to medicine to art. In fact, it might even change the way we think about creating and building in ways we've never imagined. Let's break down how it works, why it's so incredible, and just how this tech will impact the world around us. What is holographic 3D printing? At its core, holographic 3D printing is exactly what it sounds like. It combines the power of holography, yes, like the stuff you see in sci-fi movies, with traditional 3D printing. The key difference here is that this process doesn't rely on layers of material stacked on top of each other. Instead, it uses light, specifically laser beams, to create an object in full 3D space. Here's how it works. A laser is used to project a series of interfering light patterns into a photosensitive material. These patterns interact with the material, instantly creating a 3D structure in a single step. No need for layers of plastic or resin to be built up, just a quick, seamless creation right before your eyes. The result? Objects are printed in seconds rather than hours or days, and they're made with incredibly intricate detail. Think about the possibilities. Complex shapes, parts with zero supports, or even pieces that would traditionally be impossible to create with standard 3D printing technology. Why is it a game changer? Now, you're probably wondering, why is this such a big deal? Let's break it down. Speed. Traditional 3D printing can take hours, or even days depending on the complexity of the object. But with holographic 3D printing, you can create objects in a matter of seconds. Imagine how much time that saves in everything from prototyping to production, precision and detail. The level of detail you can achieve with holographic 3D printing is incredible. These printers are capable of creating objects at the microscopic level, which opens up new possibilities in industries that require extreme precision, like medicine and aerospace. No support structures needed. Traditional 3D printing often requires support structures to keep objects intact during the printing process. These are then removed, but the process adds time, complexity, and potential for errors. Holographic 3D printing, however, doesn't need supports, allowing you to print objects that are far more complex and intricate without worrying about support removal. Cost-effective. While the technology may seem cutting-edge, holographic 3D printing could ultimately reduce costs. Faster printing means less time and less material is wasted during the process. Over time, this could result in major cost savings for industries, revolutionizing industries. So, how will holographic 3D printing change the industries we know and love? The possibilities are endless. Medicine. In the medical field, this technology could be a game changer for prosthetics, organ printing, and even drug delivery systems. Imagine a world where customized prosthetics can be created instantly, fitting patients perfectly, and at a fraction of the current cost and time. Even more mind-blowing, researchers are looking into the potential of printing functional human tissues and organs. The future of personalized healthcare is bright, and holographic 3D printing is leading the charge. Aerospace and manufacturing. When it comes to manufacturing parts for aircraft or spacecraft, precision is crucial. With the speed and detail that holographic 3D printing offers, we could see the entire manufacturing process for complex parts revolutionized, making industries like aerospace more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. Art and design. Artists and designers will find endless opportunities to experiment with this new tech. From sculpture to jewelry, holographic 3D printing allows for intricate, one-of-a-kind creations that would be impossible to achieve with traditional methods. This technology makes it easier for artists to bring their visions to life in ways never before imagined. Consumer goods. Imagine being able to print your own custom-designed sneakers or fashion accessories at home using nothing but light and a photosensitive material. This could open up an entirely new world of personalized products, where consumers no longer have to rely on mass production to get exactly what they want. The age of the personalized consumer experience is upon us. Holographic 3D printing, what's next? As with any new technology, we're only just scratching the surface of what's possible. Right now, holographic 3D printing is still in its infancy, but the potential is endless. As the technology improves, we can expect even faster printing, more advanced materials, and more widespread adoption across industries. In fact, some experts predict that we'll soon see consumer-grade holographic 3D printers becoming available for home use. That means in the not-so-distant future, we could all have access to a machine that creates everything from art pieces to parts for everyday objects right in our living rooms. So, there you have it, the incredible, mind-blowing world of holographic 3D printing. From the precision and speed of the technology to the potential for revolutionizing industries across the globe, there's no denying that this is a game changer. It's not just about printing objects anymore. It's about creating in ways we've never dreamed possible. As this technology continues to evolve, it's clear that holographic 3D printing will shape the future in ways we're only beginning to understand. One thing is for sure, the future of creation is here, and it's brighter than ever. Are you ready to embrace the future of creation? What would you design or create if you had a holographic 3D printer at your fingertips? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. The future is now, don't miss out.